Whenever the feeling of a sneeze arises within you, it is crucial to recall the phrase, Alhamdulillah, which translates to, all praise is for Allah. This simple yet profound action serves as a demonstration of gratitude towards the Almighty for bestowing upon you the ability to sneeze and purify your body. In the Islamic faith, sneezing is regarded as a favor as it aids in clearing your nasal passages and expelling any irritants. Therefore, the next time you sense a sneeze approaching, do not overlook the importance of uttering Alhamdulillah and expressing appreciation to Allah for this natural bodily process. This minor gesture can significantly contribute to strengthening your faith and nurturing a deeper connection with the Creator.